Yun. Mino-workout nyo sila, moving the thighs very low, working on the quads, working on the abs. Releve! Teka lang, releve muna. Releve! Ano ba ilagay? On the balls of the men. Plie na renge. Plie na renge. May nakalimutan kasi kung ginagawa na kanina. Pero from there, moving forward. Gusto ko isang bump lang. Throw the hip forward. One time. Throw it. Throw it. Throw. Hindi na nakasalo. I can